Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect JotForm to Microsoft Excel. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send all your form responses directly into an Excel spreadsheet, saving you from manual data entry and keeping everything organized in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your JotForm dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're signing into the correct account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to connect to Microsoft Excel. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the Form Builder, which is JotForm's main editing interface where you can customize your form and manage its settings. Now that you're in the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top menu bar, look for the Settings button, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Integrations. This section is where JotForm really shines, as it allows you to connect your forms with hundreds of different apps and services, making your workflow much more efficient. Once you're in the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type Microsoft Excel into this search bar. This will filter through all available integrations and show you only the relevant options. JotForm has a massive library of integrations, so using the search function helps you find what you need quickly. From the search results, click on the Microsoft Excel integration option. This will open up the integration details page where you can see how the connection works and what options are available. You'll notice that JotForm uses Zapier to facilitate this connection, which is a powerful automation platform that bridges different apps together. On the Microsoft Excel integration page, you'll see an option for Zapier templates. These templates are pre-built automation workflows that make the setup process much faster. Click on Use this Zap to proceed with the integration. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one, but the basic plan is free and should work perfectly for most users. After logging into Zapier, you'll be guided through the final setup steps where you can customize exactly how your JotForm data flows into Microsoft Excel. This might take a moment to process as Zapier establishes the connection between both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected JotForm to Microsoft Excel, and now all your form submissions will automatically populate into your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.